What if you could bring a 100-year-old photo back to life, in full color, and get paid for it? Old family photos hold priceless memories. With AI tools like Nano Banana, you can restore damaged photos and add natural colors, and sell this as a premium service. Many photos are faded, scratched, blurry, or black and white. Families want to preserve them but don't know how. They have boxes of deteriorating photos with sentimental value but no way to restore them. Traditional restoration requires professional skills, expensive software, and hours of work. Most families can't afford it and don't know where to turn. AI can repair cracks, sharpen faces, and intelligently colorize black and white photos. What once took a professional restorer hours can now be done in minutes. The results are stunning. Faded memories become vivid, clear, and full of color while maintaining the authenticity of the original. The process is simple. 3 steps. First, clients upload their old photo. Second, you prompt the AI to restore and colorize it. Third, in minutes, you deliver a revived digital version. The entire process takes less than 15 minutes from upload to delivery of a high-resolution restored file. Who pays for this service? Families want to preserve memories of parents and grandparents. Genealogy researchers need clear, colorized photos for family trees and historical records. History lovers and collectors want to restore vintage photos. Anyone preserving family memories is a potential customer. This is an emotionally driven market where people are willing to pay premium prices for quality restoration. You can sell this service on multiple platforms. Launch on Fiverr to reach people searching for photo restoration services. Sell on Etsy to reach collectors and genealogy enthusiasts. Join Facebook groups focused on family history and memory preservation. Advertise in genealogy forums and family tree communities. Build relationships with local historical societies and museums. The market is actively searching for these services and willing to pay premium prices. Let's talk money. Charge $10 to $50 per photo, based on the level of damage and restoration needed. Offer tiered pricing. Basic restore for $15, Restore plus Colorize for $30, Premium heavy damage restoration for $50 or more. With just 2 to 3 photos a day, you can earn $600 to $2,000 per month. Upsell print-ready high-resolution files for an additional fee. Traditional restoration takes hours and expert skills in Photoshop or specialized software. AI delivers stunning results in minutes without requiring technical expertise. You don't need to be a professional restorer. You just need to understand the process and deliver consistent, high-quality results. Here's how to start today. First, find public domain vintage photos for samples. Download old photos from historical archives. Create before and after examples showing restoration and colorization. Second, create your gig on Fiverr or Etsy with clear pricing and sample photos. Third, list your service as photo restoration and colorization and promote in genealogy forums and family history Facebook groups. Start with a few customers, gather testimonials, and scale through word of mouth and referrals. This is AI side hustle number 7. Emotional value, premium pricing, evergreen demand. Follow for the next AI side hustle opportunity. Turn AI into sustainable income. Let's go.